you know it's hard. You know the world and you know it changes shape. It's different every day.
Good morning, guys. So the reason that we came to South Africa is we're going to be doing some volunteer work at a childcare centre in a township called Capricorn. We briefly went to the daycare centre yesterday and the kids are just so full of life and love, and they just run up to you and they hug you.
Hi guys,
Hi, morning.
Oh, all the sexy guys. He's gonna love you, you know. They
Morning,
pull your beard, they play with the kepi.
How are we all?
Yeah, we're all fit. Yeah.
Wake up, all teachers come to teach a new way. Maybe then they'll listen to what you have to say.
The kids have a school concert coming up and they're just practicing their dance routine. They're really good. They're gonna teach me how to dance apparently as well. My friend Grace. Yes? Don't fall. Where'd you learn to dance? Can you teach me? Am I doing it right? Do I go like that? Oh, what's this one? I like this one. What's this?
This is the girls' one.
Oh. Like this. Oh, wait, it's getting complicated. This kid's doing the advanced stuff. Grace has told me that I'm hopeless and that I'm never gonna have a career in dance, but look out for Grace. I feel like she could be the next Beyonce.
I put mine in, then you do yours out.
She still thinks I have hope. Grace gave up on me though. Grace. I don't blame you, I would give up on me as well. I have 2 left feet. Do you know what that means if you've got 2 left feet? It means you can't dance. And I have 2 left feet, I can't dance. But you're really good. That's why you got a star on your head and I don't. We're just going into the garden with the kids and we're gonna plant some flowers. Alright, you're next. 3, 2, 1. Oh, you jumped early. Yeah. Oh, we just came to this place called Rent a Cheapie and we're gonna get ourselves a car. Alright, we got wheels, bro. Freedom. Awesome. No more Ubers. I spotted these. They look like a South African version of Lucky Charms. Definitely got to try those. And Shane's going the healthy route with muesli. Yeah, checking it all out. I love this. Wait, let's get your reactions. Reading the ingredients of what I'm gonna be eating.
Definitely sugar in there, glucose syrup, sodium.
Would you put these in your body?
No, artificial flavors as well.
All right, you sold me. I'll take them. just came down to this place called Boakap. I'm really sorry if I butchered the pronunciation of that. Boakap is this place in South Africa with just all these amazing colored houses. It looks incredible. The last time I was here was with Nikki. She actually did a photo shoot for a magazine here, and the photos turned out incredible. So I had to come and show the guys this place, and I wanted to see it again as well because it's just so beautiful. So I just finished my beef brisket balls at this cafe. It's called Loading Bay, and they were mind-blowingly incredible. They had like this lemony zing to them with this beef dew over them, and like mind-blowingly amazing. Legitimately, if you come to South Africa, you have to come and check out this place called Loading Bay. It's so good. I'm about to order a second round of those beef brisket balls. I'm officially covered in bird crap. It was worth it for the shot though. But seriously, it's in my hair. It's really gross. But on the plus side, I gotta be the luckiest man in the world. They say you're lucky if a bird craps on you. I've been crapped on like 20 times today. If you watched our original South Africa vlogs, which were way back, you may remember this door and this wall here. This is where Nikki took some photos that ended up in Drum magazine.
Al Pacino's drinking Blue Mountain cappuccinos. I said, baby, you're the cleanest, the true definition of what my queen is. Yeah. Could I ever really come between us? Hey, girl.
We just came down to check out a barbecue, or should I say braai, which is Afrikaans for barbecue, or at least I'm told it's Afrikaans. Could be Dutch. I feel like we got enough food to feed the whole street.
We do, and this is still a small group. This is still nothing compared to what we've had.
That's crazy. It looks good though. Good morning guys. So we've been working at the daycare center for like 3 days now. Been having so much fun. Recess now. Today we've been learning about numbers and shapes, and then I got to play Twister with the kids, and we've been doing some more dancing. It's madness out here. These kids are so well behaved and calm in class. The second they come out here, the whole world changes. Josh is taking us to this place that he discovered called Tiger's Milk. Apparently the food is amazing. If the food is even half as good as the decor, I'm sold. I feel like I'm inside of an Instagram picture right now. As you guys know, I'm obsessed with steak. And before today, the best steak I had ever had was in Cape Town at the waterfront. Sorry, waterfront, you've been beaten. This steak literally just melts in your mouth. It is like butter. It's so crazy going from being in Capricorn, the township, to suddenly being somewhere like this, which is so full of wealth and privilege. It just feels messed up knowing that there's such a huge divide between the rich and the poor here. I mean, Australia definitely has its problems, but I don't feel like the divide is anywhere near what it is here. And to be honest, it somewhat makes me feel a little bit guilty coming here and enjoying the luxuries of South Africa. So we just came into H&M to get a plain white t-shirt because tomorrow the kids are planning on painting it and giving us a memento. I just got done buying some souvenirs for Nikki, Ava and my mum. I got something for Nikki and Ava that I think was like a really cool, cute kind of idea. I really hope that they like them. We'll see if they like them when we get back. Today's my last day at the centre. I've been with the kids for 5 days now and it's gone so quick. And to be honest, I'm feeling pretty sad to be leaving. I just wish that I had stayed longer, and if you guys are going to do a trip like this with IVHQ or any other companies, I would highly recommend coming for at least a month. Don't just come for a week, because I'm at the stage where I feel like I'm bonding with the kids and I just feel really miserable about leaving them so soon. Hey! Hey! How are you this morning, Malik?
I want to say to you guys that we are from the bottom of my heart and from Capsbury Primary, our principal, Natalie Freeman. And I want to say to our staff, on behalf of our staff, our colleagues, our children, really it's been a pleasure having you guys. And I always say when it comes to this point, to say goodbye is not nice. And I can't take it every time I'm the one saying goodbye and I'm the one carrying all the tears. I want to say to you, go well. And don't forget us. Travel safely. Travel safely. Always think about us, because we will always think about you.
Thank you so much for having us. You're all so amazing. You're very smart kids. We just left the daycare center and now we're taking some of the kids down to the aquarium.
Are you happy?
This one. It's all
Don't need to be scared, it's okay.
There we go. See, and that is all on your hand now. So you can put it slightly into the water, bring down,
Slowly,
down.
slowly.
Slowly, silly. And it will float down into the water. And there you have your hand back.
Thanks, Joe. What's up? How are you, man? I'm loving it over here. It's beautiful. Such a beautiful country.
Your first time here?
No, this is my second time. I actually came about 3.5 years ago and I've just wanted to come back ever since. So I finally did it.
Alright, well, compared to Australia, what would you say? South Africa?
You know what's crazy? I kind of feel like Cape Town has a very similar vibe to Melbourne. There's just something about it when I'm here, I feel it. I kind of feel like I'm at home. I also came over here to do some work with a group called IVHQ, and I've been working at the Sunrise Educare Center in Capricorn, which is a daycare center where they have kids from the age of 18 months all the way up to 6 years old.
What type of work are you doing? Are you just doing some awareness work, or are you actually putting your hands dirty and like doing something physical?
Well, basically what we're trying to do is, their funding has been somewhat cut recently, and as I said, they've got 300 kids here, and it only costs like $6,000 to be able to keep this place running for a year. So what we're going to do is, because we've got such a big following, we want to get our subscribers involved, and we're going to do a fundraiser. We're going to try and get it running at least for a year, if not more. Get them a new playground, and I just really want to get like, I want to donate some of my own money, and I also want to get our subscribers involved as well, and just, you know, help the people out here, because they've, you know, they've been so good to me. They've really made me feel at home, and yeah, so that's basically what we're doing here.
So, Nikki, are you still touring with artists? I know you specialize, or I don't know if this is what you used to do.
Yeah, well, yeah, I used to specialize in music videos. I've worked with like Ty Dolla $ign, YG, Tiger, T-Pain, people like that. At the moment, I'm just focusing on YouTube. I still have a real love for music. Music is where my heart is. I really love doing that sort of stuff. At the moment, YouTube and fatherhood is just taking all my time. I want to be, you know, a stay-at-home dad and do YouTube for at least like until Ava's a year. But if the right artist comes along, I probably will do some more tours, maybe next year. We just dropped the kids off. I'm feeling a little bit emotional. Hard to say goodbye. They're all just such good kids. Definitely got to come back. Bye, we're gonna miss you guys. We'll be back. My advice is, if you're gonna come over here and help out, don't just come for a week. Come for a month minimum, because a week just goes like that, and it was just too short, and I feel really bad leaving the kids because they're all emotional, and you're gonna fall in love with them. They're just the best kids.
He's gonna miss you.
Just so happy, and I'm gonna miss you. Yeah, you're not gonna miss you a lot, huh? I'm gonna miss you.
I got a feeling everything's gonna be alright. Yeah, I got a feeling everything's gonna be alright. Yeah, I got a feeling everything's gonna be alright. Be alright, be alright, be alright. You guys have a clip? Another one. Just like that.
Well, this is the part of the vlog where I normally say that's it, but with this particular vlog, I don't want this to be it. I want there to be more from this. Came over here really not knowing what to expect from this experience. I didn't really have expectations. All I knew was there was something in my heart that was telling me that this was something that I wanted to do for quite some time now. There's gonna be people ask me in the comments, why did you go to South Africa to work with kids there? Why didn't you work with kids in your own country? Why didn't you work with kids in my country? And the only answer that I can give you to that is, well, that's where my heart told me to go, and I just went with my heart. And I feel like if your heart is telling you to do something, you don't question it, you just do it and see where it takes you. I didn't want to just show you guys the poverty-stricken side of South Africa. I wanted to show you guys the beauty of South Africa as well, because South Africa is an amazing country. It's somewhere that if you haven't been, I highly recommend checking it out. But something that is going to impact you when you get here is the fact that there is so much difference between the rich and the poor here. Community of Capricorn, where I was working, there's an 80% unemployment rate. People there are dealing with problems that make my problems just seem so minuscule, and it just really brings you back down to earth. The crazy thing is, even though they're dealing with these huge problems, they're living in these, you know, really poor living conditions. Like, you saw the shacks that they're living in, the garbage just everywhere. They're so full of happiness and love, and the kids are just so full of life. The daycare center where I was working at, their funding recently got cut off. They've got enough money to go for another 2 months. Now, they were telling me that it only costs like $6,000 US to keep going for a year. So I'm gonna be setting up a fundraiser for the daycare center. As soon as it's up and running, the link will be in the description box of this video. I'm gonna put 1,000 Australian dollars of my own money as the first payment in there because I want to be involved as well, and I really want to get you guys involved. Like, let's at least get them $6 grand to be able to run for a year. I think we can do that easy. I also really want to get them a new playground as well, because the playground that they were playing on, it wasn't really the best. I want to get more equipment because there's over 300 kids at this place. Like, they need more equipment. I really want to get rid of a lot of that sand. I want to get some grass, some AstroTurf put down. I just really want us, like the Jamie and Nikki community, to get together and help these kids out. Like, even if you can only put $1 towards this, if we get, you know, like 20,000 of you guys giving $1, that's like $20,000 that we can give to these kids to provide a better life for them. There was this one kid that I became really attached to, and she just reminded me of my little Faith. She was just so much like her, and just thinking about Faith growing up in these conditions just broke my heart. So let's all come together, like all of us, and make a difference for these kids. And I'll see you in the next vlog. Bye, guys. Now we got to climb up here.